Hi, I'm UK Energy. You know how to replace remote battery from the BMW G70? Before remote hold like this and press this button and left side cover little pull down. After that came out, remove the cover and remove the battery holder cover. Remove the holder and fix new one. Before you fixing, positive always downside. After battery holder fix from the place of remote, it will fix only one direction. After that, remote body cover you fix, you can put like this. After you push it, after that you can check remote operation. Thanks for the watching and please subscribe.